Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a silencer. What you need is, it's a clothes hanger you can get from with clothes. It's like kind of like cardboard. But yeah, you need one of those, and you need a balloon, which, let me get it better when I do it. Oh, 1 second. Alright, a balloon. And what you do, you take it. It's going to look odd, but it does help a little bit. I'll show you shooting test here in a second. You just put it all the way on as far as you can, so about halfway. And see, it goes about halfway. And then you take it, and you stretch one side up and over the top of it. And do it the other side too, so they're like kind of overlapping. And you still got this side, and then you take, well, I like to use like scissors, but for this I'm gonna use a pencil. So I'm gonna get a pencil, and all you do is you poke a little hole in it, and you move the hole to the side. Just like that. Just poke the hole in it, and then you move back around to the other side. You take it and you poke another hole. You bring that around too. Just like that. That's your silencer. I'm going to show you a shooting test in a second, but it looks odd. So what can you do about the oddness? You can you can take it to all kinds, you can put like a PVC pipe around it, and it'll help it a little bit more. But you need to still let it fit on your gun. I found out if you try to do this with pistols, you either need to use like this side and tape it on the yellow tip or something like that, because it's not big enough for the yellow tip to go around. And so, let's go do a shooting test. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing the shooting test. So, put the silencer on. Works great on my shotgun. And then, put my clip in. And we're ready to go. Let's set the star there hanging by the tree. Right above the blue thing. Alright, here's what the silencer on. Alright, here. I'll give it one more shot with the silencer on. That didn't work. There we go. Alright, and then we'll do a shot without it. There's a shot without it. A little bit louder, right? It does help it a little bit, but not much. I did find this out myself. Just playing around, and happened to work. Please like and subscribe, and leave comments. Yeah, thanks.